Did you know amaranth was outlawed because it made people too independent? This tiny seed fed empires before modern wheat existed. It grew in heat that killed corn. It thrived in soil that broke other crops. It produced protein-rich grain without irrigation, chemicals, or fragile systems. Aztec warriors ate it before battle. Families ground it into flour. They popped it over fire. They mixed it with honey into travel rations. It was not just food. It was strength. It was stability. It was freedom in seed form. When colonizers arrived, they did not just conquer land. They targeted crops. Amaranth was banned. Fields were burned. Seeds were destroyed. Why? Because a crop that feeds people without dependence is dangerous to anyone trying to control them. Amaranth grows fast. It handles drought. It handles poor soil. It produces both edible leaves and edible grain. One plant. 2 harvests. The leaves cook like spinach. The seeds cook like quinoa. The popped grain works like a high-protein cereal. It contains lysine, an amino acid missing from most modern grains. It carries iron, magnesium, and fiber in dense form. And when stored dry, the seeds last for decades. Think about that. A grain that stores long, grows in harsh climates, feeds you twice, and improves soil with deep roots. Modern agriculture prefers crops that require constant inputs, constant buying, constant replacing. Amaranth does not ask for much. It does not break easily. It does not need perfect conditions. It simply grows. That is power. In times of drought, it stands. In poor soil, it produces. In heat waves, it survives. This is not a trendy superfood. This is an ancient survival crop that refused to disappear. Today, it grows quietly in small farms and backyard gardens. The same seed they tried to erase still produces. The question is simple. Do you want crops that depend on systems or crops that build independence? Would you plant the grain they tried to destroy? Save this so you do not forget. Comment Amaranth if you want more crops built for resilience.